I really feel messed up in this COVID situation, and I'm really confused about my further studies and career.
Still confused about your career? ImaginXP presenting Education Counselling Mela 2021, India's biggest conclave on future skill degree. Solve your career decisions with 90 plus eminent speakers, policymakers, entrepreneurs, recruiters, 30 plus universities, 80 plus academic experts and over 150 alumni. Block your calendar every Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday, April 21st through 30th of June, 5 p.m. onwards. Hosted by ImaginXP, India's largest future skill degree and 4-credit course platform. Register now on www.imaginexp.com/ECM or give us a missed call on 8367 796 955.